What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. All right, you guys, we are off to one of our favorite aisles besides the makeup aisle. And we still have the amazing Freeman items here. The strawberry milk sponges. Has anyone tried these yet? They just look so amazing. I'm gonna get another one. I haven't even tried the other one I got, because I got it as a gift for Birdy, but I just really want to get one for me and try it out. And then we still have the Sally Hansen aftercare items here that I believe is the second step after the cream hair bleach set. The gummy bear lip exfoliating scrub is here, as well as the cotton candy collagen lip mask. We have a lot of really inviting products here. We have the multivitamin moisturizer, the rose gel face mask. We also have the niacinamide. Yes, you guys, this is by Global Beauty Care. So if you want to save about $5 and bypass getting it from The Ordinary, bypass getting it from Ulta, try this one out. It does have the niacinamide as well as vitamins B, C, and E. I'm gonna pick one up for Birdy because she really loves using niacinamide. And these are still here, you guys. Look, they're still here. The water gel masks are still here. That's by Freeman. I'm really hoping to find some more new items. And these little cute vanilla ice cream 3-in-1 body wash, these are still here. And they do smell like, you know, pretty much like a basic vanilla. Okay, let's look on this side. These are such a great deal as well. This is the Pure Silk, 30% more for dry skin. That's a shaving gel. This one's back in stock, the pomegranate lemon verbena foaming body wash. An all-time favorite, Pears soap. Ooh, we have a soft rose hand soap that's brand new. We have Soothing Clean. It's an aloe vera scent. We have Fresh Breeze. Those are all by Soft Soap. Ooh, and then we have Full Bloom by Soft Soap. Now this is 11¼ ounces. And we have Spring Blossom. I'm so obsessed with buying hand soaps. I really need to stop. I have more than enough at home. We have the Crystal Waters line of bath salts. We have Clean Cotton, Lavender Sandalwood, and Roman Chamomile. And then up top we have the large 32-ounce of liquid hand soap. This is Refreshing Citrus. And this is a dupe for Aveeno. This is the Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is oatmeal lotion. Definitely a dupe. The Yardley. This is the Yardley hand lotion in oatmeal and almond. We also have it in shea butter. We also have it in aloe and avocado, and we have it in English lavender. And then these are new this week, the oatmeal daily moisturizing lotions. So we have this one up here. This is 8 ounces, but then we have this sort of container. These are both by the brand Extra Care. We have Lever 2000, Dial, 2 different Zest, Irish Spring Classic, Coast, Safeguard. Let's see what scent this is. This is Aloe Extract. 2 bars. We have the Dial White Antibacterial. I love Dial soap. Gillette Black. 3 razors. I think those are new. The Old Spice bars are still here. A lot of 3-in-1s are here. We have Cool Clean. We have Regular Light. We have Power Fresh. Those are all Speed Stick. We have an Old Spice Pure Sport deodorant. We have a Natural Rosemary and Lavender by Arm & Hammer, as well as the Ultra Max Fresh. What's this? Dove aluminum free deodorant, 1.7 ounces. Yeah, you guys, there are a lot of good items down this aisle. If you guys missed these popped up last week. These are the hand creams, Sweet Floral and Champagne Toast. And then these also popped up last week. Trying to be like Victoria's Secret. Packaging really feels like that. We have Crave, Wonder, and Dream. Yeah, you guys, lots of good items. Let's go look over here really quick and see if we have any new baby items. I know I have a few of you that regularly ask to see the new baby items. These are still here, the Mr. Bubble 4-in-1. Great deal. We also have White Rain, Arm & Hammer Baby. We also have Baby Love, a variety of Baby Love products. The Petroleum Jelly by Baby Love, the Baby Oil, and another petroleum jelly. Cute little baby socks. The teethers, aw, the little teethers. The little teddies, aw, I like the pink little teddy. BPA free, complies with phthalate regulations. We also have the tooth and gum wipes. Fluoride free, sugar free with xylitol. We also have the pacifier and toy wipes. And then we actually have a very small pack of diapers. 5 diapers in this little pack. And then we still have a variety of kids face masks if you need some smaller size masks for maybe a dentist appointment, doctor appointment, or anytime. More baby wipes, 64. This one is aloe vera and chamomile. This one is also aloe vera and chamomile. We also have Baby Shark. The scent is Baby Fresh Scent with aloe and vitamin E, 60 in a bag. Lots of varieties over here. Oh, and I missed some more teethers. We have Elmo and we have Cookie Monster. Over here, we have some super cute new water dispenser bowls for pets. All sorts of treats. It looks really nice over here. Taco minis, beef flavor, bacon flavor, sausage links, chicken flavor, all sorts of different treats, including some name brand treats that have been here for quite a while. The peanut butter and berry flavored latte. We also have the Beggin' Fun Size. We have the Dental Life treats. We also have the Aura Bones down below, the Aura Bones, the canine treats, brands like 9 Lives and Pounce for cats, the Meow Mix, the Pounce treats gives you 3 ounces. Yep, 3 ounces of Pounce, and 2.1 ounces of 9 Lives. We have tuna flavor for all my cat lovers out there. We have ocean medley flavor. My cats love that. And then these are chicken and turkey flavors, and the Pounce is chicken flavor. But hey, you guys, that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna get ready to start another one. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Welcome, you guys. I share videos every single day. Please hit the little button and subscribe and join the family. Also, you guys, follow me over on TikTok at Bunny Birdy Gator. I do totally different stuff over there. I'd love for you guys to join the family. We're at like 300K, 330K, something like that. Anyways, love for you guys to join the TikTok family as well. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.